Spraylock Nation. It's another glorious day here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, because that's all we have is glorious days. Why? Because we like what we do, we love what we do, and what we do likes us apparently.
Yeah. What studio are we in today?
I have no clue, to be honest with you. I just wake up in a new studio every day, and it's just a glorious day.
We're in studio number 7.
7?
Yes.
Thought we started at 100.
Well, we've renovated recently.
Well, apparently I did not know we renovated. Hopefully there's something really cool behind us telling us which one we're in.
Yeah, exactly.
So today, let's talk about, we talked about vertical walls. Let's talk about horizontal walls.
Slabs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially the ones you walk on.
Yeah.
So let's talk about floor slabs.
Sure.
And really, you're looking at two types of floor slabs for the most part. You got exposed floors, or you got those covered with flooring. And so what we want to talk about is where we can really help at. And let's start with the one big one that a lot of people do. So your VCT, LVT, carpet tiles, flooring that goes on it. And we got really two products that we can work with, the 327 and 578, and what we can do with them.
Yeah, flooring is a challenge on many projects, specifically because of moisture movement through the slab that interferes with the adhesives, the leveling courses, and possibly even the flooring itself. So that moisture movement concern is big, and it costs time and money and aggravation on many job sites.
Don't forget about vapor drive.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, we think about moisture, but vapor drive is also affecting these floorings. They're very moisture sensitive, they're vapor sensitive. So let's talk about 327 for a second. 327 is our time of placement product. It goes down as soon as you can walk on it without marring the concrete. We've did a whole video on it. But what it does for your flooring is it allows that we get the moisture so low that we're not really worried about it moving through there. So moisture sensitive flooring can go on top of it. We allow you to put flooring down as early as 14 days after application. Now, what does that mean for you? Most new construction is not doing that, but it allows you to hard schedule your flooring installs.
Oh, that's important.
And then we have a 578 product for existing floors. So if you already got an issue, you're pulling flooring up, our 578 does the exact same thing as 327. It's just formulated for existing concrete. But again, it stops that moisture from moving through that concrete.
So what water vapor transmission test numbers do you need to see, Josh?
I don't need to see any.
You don't need to see any?
No, I do not see any.
All right.
Not worried about. We've done enough testing that we know we're not failing because of a water vapor number.
Excellent.
So when it comes to flooring, if you have any flooring concerns at all, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out, talk to you, answer any questions, like, subscribe, and hit that like button again, because I really like when y'all hit that like button.
What about exposed flooring?
Oh, yeah.
We forgot that. So exposed flooring, we're talking about slabs that are going to be, for instance, a warehouse floor slab or manufacturing floor, where the finished surface is still going to be concrete. It's not going to have a coating, or it's not going to have a flooring material put on it.
You can have coatings.
Well, it could, yeah.
I mean, some of those epoxy and whatnot are still considered exposed. Not all of them, but yes, you can put them on there.
That's a great point. So can we help with those?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
So exposed flooring, if you look at warehouse floors where you're really not putting anything on there, a lot of them are looking for abrasion resistance because they got a lot of heavy equipment going on it, and we can increase that abrasion. Some of them want it polished. If you're doing polishing, that moisture can drive through and give you a milky look, and the appearance is not what you're looking for. So again, we have a product, P3 Industrial, for exposed floors or for polished, that will keep that moisture from coming through and give you a better look and give you a more abrasion resistive slab, so that slab's going to last longer. When it comes to epoxies that you can put on there for aesthetic purposes, P3 Industrial as well, but that's also going to keep, some of those epoxies are moisture sensitive and will delaminate from the slab. This will keep that moisture drive from coming through there.
Excellent, Josh. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please hit us up with any questions down below, or give us a call or an email at scptech@spraylock.com. Thank you so much.
Now the real challenge is, can you bleep out my flub?